Hi all, this is Shripad along with Nisarg again today, and we will be going ahead and showcasing how we have been able to grab feedback reviews from a particular university website. Okay, and we have then gone ahead and classified it as whether it is positive, negative, or it's neutral with the help of AI Fabric provided by UiPath. Now, in this demonstration, we will be using UiPath, wherein we'll be using AI component to scrape the entire feedback reviews from the website. We will be using ML AI Fabric to go ahead and let us know what's the confidence score and the sentiment behind it. And finally, we'll use a component to store the data into an Excel at this moment, but later on you can use this to save it on a database or maybe on a website or your backend application too. So that's the entire essence of this particular demo. We will now go ahead and run the bot. Now, if you could see on the screen, the bot has been initiated. Okay, it's now going to launch the Uni website, and it's going to now grab the entire reviews. You see page 2, page 3 at the very top. Now, we just put in 25 odd feedback reviews. Okay. Now, once it is grabbed, you see on to your left, the grabbed feedback comments are being processed through AI Fabric, and it's been tagging the sentiments as along with the confidence score. Now, this will continue till all the identified feedbacks are being pushed through AI Fabric. So let's have a look at it. It's now progressing further. Now it's still containing positive, very negative, and uh, uh, the next one being again very positive. So it just keeps moving ahead till we have around, I think so, 11 or 12 is what we are looking at. Oh, sorry, it's going to cover all 25. So if you could see at the very top, the ticker is moving from 20, 21, 22, and so on and so forth. So that's the live representation that is happening in front of you. Now, once this is done, it automatically gets captured and an Excel sheet gets created. Okay. Whilst it is being refreshed, you see sentiment data set Excel sheet being created. We have been saving this data on sheet 2, and it captures the name of the person who has shared the feedback. The feedback consists of the comments by the university student, and the prediction and the confidence score is generated from the AI Fabric. If you look at the gentleman's name, Craig, he's a retired army soldier, and he's been talking about the uni's experience. The small group settings was awesome. By the end of the program, my teammates felt like family. We shared a lot of great times in and out of the classroom. This has been tagged as very positive with a confidence score of 0.66. So that's one. Let's also look at one more comment. This is a comment from Faye. She's been struggling a sort of a clearance from uni. She has not given her exit interview, and that's where she's been stuck, and she's been asked to uh, come down in person to solve this. Uh, Quite dissatisfied, and hence very negative, and 0.64 is the confidence level over here. That's the presentation from our end. I hope you find this interesting. Please have a look at it. And in case if you need any further assistance around it, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to take you through or your organization on how to go ahead and build this sort of a model for you. Cheers and stay safe. Bye.